Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you why I love this shampoo massage brush. This new upgraded version comes with two different varieties of little nubs on here, the flat and also the more pointy. I like the variety because I feel like the flatter ones definitely hit more surface area when scrubbing. So it's super easy to hold. It has an ergonomic design, which I love, and I've never once dropped it in the shower while using it. I absolutely love using this scalp massage brush. I genuinely feel like it gives me a great clean. I usually don't even need to do a second round of shampooing, as the first round with the brush made it super clean. Especially since I enjoy running and working out, my hair gets pretty sweaty and gross, so this really helps me. I love using it so I don't have to use my nails, because I feel like sometimes that scratches my scalp and also damages my nails as well. And let's not mention if I have nail polish on, sometimes my hair gets caught in it and it's just a big mess. A super simple addition to my shower routine that I do not regret. I love it, but that's just my point of view.